Hi guys, I am allergic to shellfish, so I can't have a seafood boil, but I'm obsessed with watching mukbangs of seafood and seafood boils. So today we are gonna make a sausage and boiled egg seafood. What? We are gonna make a sausage and boiled egg and corn boil. Let's get into the video. I'm so excited. I love corn. I love boiled eggs. Everybody in my family loves boiled eggs. Like we eat them all the time. Eggs are expensive right now, but that is a sacrifice that we take because we love eggs. Okay? All right, let's get into the video. I have no idea what I'm doing, but this is what I'm using. I got 2 ears of corn, some onion, turkey, sausage, some heavy whipping cream. I think I want to make a creamier sauce for it. So that's why I got the heavy whipping cream, garlic, some seasonings, and of course some eggs. So let's get into it. Here it is. It doesn't look too appetizing in the bowl like this, but the sauce that I made, delicious. I did add cheese to it because I love me some cheese. So I already knew that was going to happen when we added the cheese. So let's try it. I'm going to try it with one of these boiled eggs. Okay. There it is. I'm gonna get a sausage on that egg. Oh, it was good. Yeah. Yeah. It's supposed to get messy.